What's up, homies? So 2 months ago I just launched my first CLI and I need to really give you guys real update about it. I remember I have posted it on Telegram and LinkedIn while being in class, but I noted an issue. Anyways, this is my Telegram and this is my LinkedIn. So the thing is like this: every time I start a new project, I have to create multiple folders like this manually. Imagine like this one. Oh, don't see my code. No, yeah. So like this one. So imagine, like, let's say you are creating one folder with this file in just 30 seconds. So each time you are creating 20, it is so 10 minutes of your time has gone, right? But we all know that time is most expensive thing we have in life, right? Wrong, money. Anyways, so I just come up with one thing. So what if I just create one folder, one command line interface that does everything for me in just 1 minute or less, so that I can proceed to my thing or maybe go sleep. So if you want to use it like you do before, you just go to npm and then search for Jocode Create Folder. So you will have it right here. So Jocode, I didn't say Jocode very well, so Jocode, okay? You just say Jocode Create Folder. You will have it right here, and then you grab the thing from here and then you just paste it on your terminal, okay? So before pasting it on your terminal, make sure you have new folder. So let's say full stack, and then you need to change your directory to full stack, okay? And then you just paste the thing. So download it globally, so that you say next time. So download it globally saying -g, so that you next time you want to create a new folder, you don't need to call Jocode, you just say create new folder, okay? So the thing is on documentation. I will show you that one, guys. So we have it like that in less than 1 second. So look at this one. So each folder has its own file, just one, and then its own thing. And also for client, you can use anything that you want, maybe Next.js, React, Angular, whatever you want. I don't force you to use React only. So here you can just use anything. So you will have .env and then git ignore right here, okay? And then that's it. So as you can see, the documentation already mentioned, that once you install globally, you can run create folder command each time you need it. So guys, I know this thing is very simple and easy, anyone can even do it, but either you like my video or maybe CLI that I made, make sure you subscribe to my channel, comments down below something that you want so that I improve the thing next time, or maybe you can contribute to it because open source. So see you next time.